Hi, in 25 rice recipe series, today we are going to make veg pulao. Let's get started. 1.5 cup of basmati rice. In the same cup, 3 cup of water. Soak it for few minutes. 3 teaspoon of ghee, 2 tablespoon of oil, 12 to 15 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 10 to 12 pods of garlic, 2 big onions sliced, 2 medium carrots diced, 2 medium potato diced, 1 cup of soaked peas, whole garam masala, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, chopped coriander minced leaves, salt as required. First up, washing rice. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Let's wash it 3 times. Let it soak, keep it aside. Let's start cooking. First, crush the green chilies and then make ginger garlic paste. I am pressure cooking today, so take 3 teaspoon of ghee and 2 tablespoon of oil, or you can reduce or increase the ghee quantity as you wish. Whole garam masala for few minutes and then add the ingredients one by one as shown here. It is that simple. To enhance the flavor, add handful of cashews and raisins. To build the flavor, what we have to do is first we have to roast the green chilies, then ginger garlic paste, and then add minced coriander leaves, vegetables, again minced coriander leaves. Now add the pre-soaked rice, roast it for a few minutes and then add the water. Add lemon juice, mix well and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. It depends upon your cooker. For me, 1 whistle will be enough. It has cooked perfectly and fluffy. Hope you like this video. If you do, like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.